Hey, Elliot. Hi, Elliot. How are you? This is our Cornish Rex. Yes. His name is Elliot, and he has interesting fur, and he has interesting ears, and he has an interesting nose. That would be Elliot. We'll get a little side view, and we'll see how handsome he is. And then we'll try to talk to him and look at his cute little face from the front. Yeah, well, we've got really looked at his little face. We'll get him, we'll look. He says, I'm not used to being filmed, but I'm going to get used to it because I'm being filmed. Yes, very good. Well, Elliot, it's good to meet you. I came over to see what a Cornish Rex looked like and have a little chat. And we just kind of want to welcome you to the shelter. And we hope you find your forever home really soon. Okay, that's Elliot, the Cornish Rex, and he's jumping down. Have a nice evening, Elliot. Sweet dreams.